Piliavin, Rodin and Piliavin, 1969. Good Samaritanism, an underground phenomenon? Piliavin's study had 4 aims: to see if an ill person would get more help than a drunk person, to see if the race of the victim led to same race helping, to see whether the intervention of a model would influence others' helping behaviour, and to investigate the effects of group size on helping behaviour. The research method was a field study, which took place on the same stretch of the New York subway. Participants were about 4,500 men and women using the subway on weekdays between the hours of 11 AM and 3 PM over a 3-month period. The study was carried out by 16 university students, split into 4 teams of 4 researchers. Each team consisted of 2 males and 2 females. Within these teams, 1 male played the victim, who was either drunk or ill, or black or white. 70 seconds after boarding the train, the victim collapsed and remained lying on his back. The other male played the model. There were 3 model conditions: no model, early model, who helped after 70 seconds, and late model, who helped after 150 seconds. The 2 females were the observers. Observer 1 recorded the race, sex and location of passengers in the critical area, the total number of passengers in the whole carriage, and the total number of helpers, and the race, sex and location of the helpers. Observer 2 recorded the race, sex and location of every person in the adjacent area, and the time when help was first offered. Both observers noted comments from nearby passengers. Piliavin found that the cane victim was helped spontaneously 95% of the time, whereas the drunk victim received spontaneous help only 50% of the time. Help was also given quicker for the ill victim, 5-second average, than the drunk victim, 109-second average. 90% of the first helpers were male. In 20% of the trials, 34 people left the critical area after the victim first collapsed. Piliavin's results also show that the more passengers there were in the critical area where the victim collapsed, the more likely help was to be given. Therefore, there was no diffusion of responsibility effect. This may be because the potential helpers could see the victim.